Good morning, students. Today's topic is variation in the cells. The cells are vary in their structure, in their size, in their shape, on the basis of their function in the organism. According to functions, their shape, size are changed. So look over here. The different kind of organisms, as we have discussed in last class, there are different kind of level of organization: cellular level of organization, tissue level of organization, organ level, and organ system level. Look, students, what happen actually? There are some of the organisms of their body made up of only single cell. Only one cell, single cell. Such kind of organisms are known as unicellular organisms. What do you mean by unicellular organisms? The organisms of which body made up of single cell. Because they have only single cell, so all the जिंदा तो रहना है. So all the functions which are essential to survival of an organism, respiration, exchange of gases, you can say, excretion, elimination of the waste material. So all these vital functions which are essential to survival of an organism performed by single cell. Death of single cell, body is made up of single cell. Death of single cell leads to death of organism. It do not show the level of organization like amoeba, paramecium, bacteria, chlamydomonas. These are some of the examples. We are also multicellular organisms. Unicellular, multicellular. The organisms made up of a number of the cells known as multicellular organisms. Differences: the body made up of a number of the cells. Different cells perform different functions. To perform efficiently work, they form the groups, tissues, organs. There are millions of these cells in our body. Regularly die, WBCs, regularly RBCs, regularly replaced by the new ones. We show different kind of level of organization. Human beings, cow, buffalo, whatever the animals we see in our surrounding, these are the multicellular organisms. Now look, change in the shape and size. We have seen number of the cells. Now look, shape and size of the cells. Skin cells. Skin cells are the flat cells. Flat, thin, and they are rectangular in shape. Thin, flat and rectangular in shape. There is no gap between the cells. No gap between the cells, it means gap between the cells, cells के बीच में क्या कहेंगे? Intercellular spaces. What we call it? Inter means between, cellular means between cells, space. Intercellular spaces are absent over here. Intercellular spaces are absent. It means intercellular spaces are absent. That's why these cells provide protection to us. पानी, बैक्टीरिया, germs वगैरह enter नहीं हो पाएंगे. So these skin cells are protective layer. Skin cells make a protective layer, and these are thin, flat, and rectangular in shape. They don't have intercellular spaces. Now, second one, neurons. Neurons are the, you look over here, which kind of shape is this? These are thin, elongated, and thread-like structures like this. ये ऐसे लंबी हो गई. and these are the longest cell of the body. These are the longest cell of the body. बॉडी की सबसे लंबी सेल होती है. इनकी लेंथ यहां से फ्रॉम द वेस्ट रीजन टू हील रीजन कितनी मीटर? करीब 1 मीटर इन आवर बॉडी. बट इन केस ऑफ द एलिफेंट इट्स लेंथ अबाउट 1.5 मीटर और 2 मीटर or maybe 3 meter. That's why nerve cell is the longest cell. Why this one? What is the function? Why this one is too long? Because it carry impulse, information from one organ to brain. It carry information from one organ to brain. पूरी बॉडी तक के जो इंफॉर्मेशन है उनको कैरी करने का काम करते हैं. So nerve cells are elongated, branched and thin thread-like structures. Now in our body there is one cell which do not have definite shape. You have learnt in amoeba. And in amoeba do not have definite shape. It means irregular in shape. Amoeboid shape. Amoeboid shape means irregular shape. Irregular in shape. Irregular in shape means it continuously change its shape. अपनी शेप को चेंज करता रहेगा. इसकी शेप कोई फिक्स नहीं है. Such kind of examples are the WBCs, white blood cells. WBCs are amoeboid in shape like this. They having pseudopodia. Why this one? They engulf the germs, bacteria, whatever it is, enter in our body, they engulf. Provide protection. So difference in shape: skin cells thin, flat, rectangular. Nerve cell elongated, branched, thread-like structure. Amoeboid irregular in shape. Now muscles. In our body, muscles are spindle in shape for contraction, relaxation. Muscles just like do work like a rubber. पास elongate हो जाना, छोटा हो जाना, ये ऐसे वर्क करती है. The size of the cell is measured in micrometer. Micrometer is represented by the mu. Micrometer is represented by the mu. How the mu is written? U लिखा और इसके आगे ऐसे लगा दिया था. इसको कहते हैं हम लोग mu. Now micrometer mu. 1 meter equal to how many millimeters? 1000 millimeters. 1 meter equal to how many millimeters? 1000 millimeters. Got it? Meter equal to 1000 millimeters. Now 1 millimeter equal to 1 millimeter equal to 1000 micrometer. 1 मिलीमीटर में कितने माइक्रोमीटर होते हैं? 1000. तो हम कह दें 1 मीटर इक्वल टू 1000 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 1000 माइक्रोमीटर. 1 मीटर में कितने माइक्रोमीटर होंगे? 1000 to 1000. You can say 10 is to the power 6 micrometer. 1 meter equal to 10 is to the power 6 माइक्रोमीटर. अब हमें माइक्रोमीटर को करना है तो हम तय करेंगे 1 माइक्रोमीटर इक्वल टू, लुक ओवर हियर, 1 माइक्रोमीटर इक्वल टू 1 अपॉन 10⁶ मीटर, और यू कैन से 10⁻⁶ मीटर. 1 माइक्रोमीटर इक्वल टू 10⁻⁻⁶ मीटर. बात समझ में आ गई। नॉर्मल सेल्स की साइज कितनी होती है? 10 to 20 माइक्रोमीटर। नॉर्मल साइज ऑफ सेल्स इज दी 10 to 20 माइक्रोमीटर। नॉर्मल सेल्स आर 10 to the power minus 10 to the power 10 to 20 micrometer. Got it? Now look over here. Largest cell इतना बड़ा होता होगा करीब ऑस्ट्रिच एग 17 सेंटीमीटर करीब हो जाता, 17 सेंटीमीटर और 13 सेंटीमीटर कुछ इसकी विड्थ हो जाती है। सो इट इज द लार्जेस्ट एग। मिलीमीटर में देखें तो 17 सेंटीमीटर इक्वल टू 170 और 13 सेंटीमीटर इक्वल टू 130 मिलीमीटर। नाउ लॉन्गेस्ट सेल, लॉन्गेस्ट सेल कह दीजिए, लार्जेस्ट सेल कह दीजिए। लार्जेस्ट सेल इन आवर बॉडी इज दी नर्व सेल न्यूरॉन। आरबीसी इज द स्मॉलेस्ट सेल इन आवर बॉडी। आरबीसी इज द स्मॉलेस्ट सेल इन आवर बॉडी एंड द स्मॉलेस्ट ऑर्गेनिज्म। सबसे छोटी ऑर्गेनिज्म कौन सी है? सबसे ज्यादा पूछा जाने वाला क्वेश्चन in 9th class also. This is the most important question, mostly asked question. इसके बिना क्वेश्चन बैंक एग्जाम अधूरा रहता है। सो लार्ज स्मॉलेस्ट सेल PPLO, प्लूरो न्यूमोनिया लाइक ऑर्गेनिज्म। क्या कहते हैं? प्लूरो न्यूमोनिया लाइक ऑर्गेनिज्म। बोलेंगे याद हो जाएगा। PPLO कॉमन नेम माइकोप्लाज्मा, कॉमन नेम माइकोप्लाज्मा। गॉट इट? स्मॉलेस्ट सेल माइकोप्लाज्मा, PPLO, प्लूरो न्यूमोनिया लाइक ऑर्गेनिज्म। गॉट इट? नाउ लुक द सिंपल स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ द सेल। इन केस ऑफ अ सेल there is a covering, simple covering to protect from the surrounding or separate from the surrounding. This is known as cell membrane. This is known as cell membrane, or cell membrane is also known as plasma membrane. Cell membrane is also known as plasma membrane. Second structure in all kind of the cell is the nucleus. Second structure is the nucleus. And third structure, all the material which is filled between the nucleus and cell membrane, this entire material is known as cytoplasm. This entire material is known as cytoplasm. This is a simple structure of a cell. But in case of the plant cells, there is an extra covering around the cell membrane, and this extra covering is called as cell wall. An extra covering around the cell is known as cell wall. So what is the simple structure of a cell? Number 1, cell membrane, nucleus and cytoplasm. In plant cells, an additional covering for protection is the cell wall.